Now, if you're a first-time buyer, you might also be wondering, Craig, when do I get pre-approved? What does that process look like and how long does it take? Well, you'll be happy to know that the pre-approval process really doesn't take long at all, and it's not invasive either. The lender is just going to go through asking you a couple of questions about your current job status, your income, some credit history, and a few other things. And they'll basically be able to tell you within a very small margin for error of where your interest rate would be and what loan types you're going to qualify for. Now, speaking of loan types, there are a few of them. You've probably heard about FHA and conventional, and you've probably also heard about a VA loan and perhaps a USDA loan. Well, there's even more than that, but those are the four main types of loans. And I'm not a mortgage broker. I do know a little bit about them, but this is a great opportunity for you to ask your mortgage broker or banker one-on-one which would be the best loan type for you. And it's worth noting that there are some properties that would simply exclude you from being able to use one type of loan. And I'm thinking specifically of the USDA loan. So the USDA loan was created to help stimulate home purchasing in more rural and lower income areas. So there are some restrictions about what homes and cities and counties qualify for USDA financing. And you can actually find that out on the USDA website. If you just do a Google search for USDA financing eligibility, there's a little search box and you can type in the property's address or the city, and it'll tell you whether or not that home or that area qualifies for USDA financing. And of course, if you're a veteran, you most likely qualify for your VA loan, which is a guaranteed government-backed loan that requires zero down payment. It's a fantastic loan, and I always love working with veterans. I love doing VA deals, and I've got a really great VA lender that I'd love to introduce you to if you are a veteran and qualify. That leaves us with the two other main types of mortgages, and that is an FHA mortgage and a conventional mortgage. Now, I have done other blog posts and other videos about the differences between FHA and conventional, so I'm only going to hit the highlights here. But really, the core differences are that an FHA loan is a loan that's federally insured by the government or the Fair Housing Administration, whereas a conventional loan is just it's a conventional loan. It is money lent to you by a bank or a private investor, but it is not insured or backed by the federal government. Now, a couple other key differences would be with regard to your down payment. So that's the thing that's talked about the most. FHA loans only require 3.5% down, whereas conventional loans more often than not require 10% down or even 20%. However, there are some programs to get conventional loan down payments down to 5%, and I've even seen promotions and special programs as low as 3.5%. So regardless of which loan you think sounds best, the first place to start really is getting with your mortgage broker or lender and talking with them about your individual situation, because every situation is different, and it's really best to talk with a professional, see what you qualify for, and then make your decisions from there.